You think you know cheesecake, right? Think again. Today, I'm gonna show you how to incorporate this versatile yam into a rich and creamy cheesecake. Ube is an ingredient you'll see in a lot of Filipino desserts, and it has this really nice, subtle, sweet, nutty flavor, like a pistachio, which makes it perfect for this cheesecake. So, let's get started. We're gonna sprinkle unflavored gelatin to cold water. Now, we're gonna set it aside, let it set. To prep the ube, I just pierced them with a fork, popped them in the microwave for 6 minutes, and you wanna let them cool a little bit, but it's best to peel them when they're still a little bit warm, so the skin just comes right off. Microwaving the ube helps it retain its amazing violet color, which not only does make it pretty, but it's Insta-worthy. To make the crust, we're gonna mix graham cracker crumbs, finely chopped pistachios, shredded coconut, sugar, there we go, and melted butter. Oh yeah. Now we're just gonna mix this all up. Like we said before, the ube has this incredibly nutty flavor, and pairing the pistachio with the ube really accentuates that flavor, and it's gonna bring everything out and just make this dessert over the top. So we're gonna get this crust into a springform pan. So you can see I have a little parchment paper on the bottom here, just so it makes it a little bit easier to release once the cake is set. So now I'm just gonna use the wooden spoon, pack it down a little bit, get that all set there, just like this. See that great little crust on the bottom? So now, put the water and gelatin mixture we set aside into the microwave and stir in until the gelatin is completely dissolved. The gelatin will help the cheesecake set up and give it a firm texture. Okay, now, we're gonna add our Thai kitchen coconut milk, our McCormick vanilla extract, right in here. Great. And now we're gonna pop our amazing purple colored ube right in there. As we pulse this, it's gonna turn this amazing hue of violet. Absolutely incredible. And now we're just gonna pulse until it's smooth. This dessert is so easy to make, but not only that, it's fun, it's unique, and it's delicious. What we're looking for is this beautiful, oh my gosh, look at this. Smooth, no big chunks. So now we're gonna add our softened cream cheese to this purple dream. Nice and easy. We're gonna add sugar and that gelatin mixture that we microwaved. Now, pop the top back on, and we blend until smooth. I think we're about ready. Wow, it's absolutely just heavenly. And I can't wait to taste this. So now we're gonna take our little mixture here, bring it over. I'm just gonna put this in our springform pan. If you don't have a springform pan, feel free to use this in a round cake pan, something like that. Cool. So now spread it around. It's like frosting a giant cookie. Now that we have this kind of spread out here, cover and refrigerate this for at least 4 hours till it sets. All right, so it's super easy to use a springform pan. All you gotta do is spring it open. Are you ready for the reveal? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that color. It just pops out at you. Don't you wanna eat it right now? Like through the screen. I do. So now we're gonna take a quick slice. Beautiful. Move this right here. Yeah, right there. That's incredible. So now we're gonna garnish with whipped cream, chopped pistachios, and toasted coconut. Whipped cream first. Nice generous dollop. Right there. Pistachios. And lastly, but not least, some toasted coconut. Wow, that just looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna eat 1, 2, 3, or 4 pieces. Guys, you need to make this right now.
Okay, you guys, I know your phone's in your hand.
Check out this episode plus all the other episodes in the Flavor Maker app.
We have all kinds of great features. You can create a digital spice rack.
Discover amazing recipes.
Plus, a ton of other cool features that I haven't even explored yet. Have fun cooking, guys.